Hello guys, here's Adam from Ether. Welcome to U-micco Limited Corporations. Our company is a leading manufacturer and trader in this industry, which can offer variety of products, meet multifarious demands. And today it's my great honor to be here to introduce the products of our company. So without further ado, let's get started. We adhere to the management principle of quality first, customer first, and credible base since the establishment of the company, and always do our best to satisfy potential needs of our customers. Our company is sincerely willing to cooperate with enterprise from all over the world in order to realize a win-win situation, since the chain of economy globalization has developed with an irresistible force. We guarantee quality for all our products. Our luxury products are made with innovative technology. U-micco 3D polymer mattress is constructed of supported harmless polymer fibers with 3D weaving technologies and can be used safely. And another key point I want to mention is that it is fireproof as well. And let me show you more details of it. U-micco Airfiber mattress can be washed in air to eliminate mites and bugs, preventing the breeding of bacteria. Our products have immeasurable benefits to allergy and asthma sufferers and provide a safe, healthy sleeping environment for all others. Another important aspect of this mattress is its breathability. The Airfiber technology used in the construction of the mattress allows air to circulate freely through the material. This helps regulate body temperature, preventing overheating during sleep and reducing sweating. Additionally, the water-permeable structure ensures that moisture and sweat evaporate quickly, keeping your mattress dry and fresh at all times. If you have any inquiry, please contact our customer service team and we will provide you with a satisfactory solution as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.